Assalamualaikum everyone. Yes, I'm back with a new video. Today's video is going to be an all-in-one herbal facial kit. This mini herbal facial kit has all the things you need to do a complete facial right in the comfort of your own home. I got this from the dollar shop, but I think you can find these kind of mini facial kits at any beauty counter here in Lahore. You can find them anywhere. So this is the Charm and Glow Herbal Facial Kit. It has 5 steps of facials. It's very hygienic and fresh. So this pack cost me 60 rupees. If you look at the back, this is for both men and women. Charm and Glow Herbal Facial Kit 5 Steps Facial. This combination pack is a novel single-use hygienic and fresh herbal facial kit. Content of this pack are as follows. We have cleanser, exfoliating scrub, spa massage cream, face pack, rejuvenating and fairness cream. So they have 5 things in it. Let's open it and I'll show you in detail. Oh, it smells so good. So it's one-time use. You have to just use all of it and that's it. And it also comes with a leaflet, so you know exactly what to do. How to use. Use a headband to keep your hair away from face. You also have all the steps written at the back, so don't worry. Step 1. Charm and Glow Cleanser. Lavender and orange. Apply cleanser gently all over the face with upward and outward movement. Do not scrub. Let it stay for a while. Wipe off with a moist cotton pad or rinse with water and pat dry. Yeah, it is for one time because there's not too much of it in these like mini packs. Just enough for like one facial. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Oh, you are supposed to do like a patch test. Please, any new thing you're trying, do a patch test. A gentle pH balanced cleanser for the face, formulated with botanical extracts of lavender and orange. It gently removes makeup and dirt without drying or damaging skin. Upward and outward motion. This one was lavender and orange. I don't smell anything lavender or orange. And it feels tingly. No, I don't smell any of those two. Okay, now I need to remove it. I'm gonna use these cotton pads. Wet the sponge and remove. You can go wash your face as well. We don't have access to a sink today. So I'm just gonna, ow, why are my cheeks so red? I'm looking at the mirror and already my face is so clean. Is my face cleansed? Step 2. Charm and Glow Exfoliating Scrub. Walnut and olive oil. Moisten face and neck. Apply exfoliating scrub with wet fingertips. Massage gently. Rinse well. Pat dry and feel the difference. So everyone, my face is still wet from the cleanser that I just removed. Don't pat dry your face because this water now you're going to use for the exfoliation. Ooh. This is brown. But it smells sweet. This scrub has superfine exfoliating particles, so it's very gentle on the skin. Like, see, that amount was enough. Now I've wet my fingertips and just gently massage.
Charmin Glow's exfoliating scrub is deep cleansing formula for healthy and younger looking skin. An enriched blend of natural exfoliators and antioxidants help to discard residues and impurities, dead skin cell and dirt, gently unclogging pores.
So if you don't have a steamer, don't worry, just use an electric kettle. Steaming job done. I really like it. It's making my face very shiny, bright, hydrated, and all my redness is it's gone, right? Can you see? It's calmed my skin down.
Step 3. Charmin Glow Spa Massage Cream. Eucalyptus, patchouli, shea butter, and almond.
Wash face with lukewarm water. Massage gently in upward and downward strokes. Leave it for 5 minutes and then rinse it off. It's also very thick cream, very white and very thick. Oh my god, that's cooling. Yes. ठंडा ठंडा लग रहा है. But all my irritation here is gone.
Charmin Glow's Spa Massage Cream imparts an excellent nourishment and natural glow to your skin with extra relaxation. Stimulating and nourishing formula of almond, patchouli oil, and eucalyptus will rejuvenate the sagging skin by regulating the blood flow and draining out impurities from the skin. It really opens up your sinuses.
Okay, you have to leave it on for 5 minutes. It has the same texture as Vicks. Yes. कहीं Vicks तो नहीं डाल के दे दी. Alhamdulillah. Look how thick this cream is.
Step 4. Charmin Glow Face Pack. Almond.
Spread a thick layer of face pack through the face and neck area, avoiding the area around eyes. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes or till dry, then rinse it off. Irritation may occur due to penetration in pores. Okay, thanks for the warning.
A unique designed formula with goodness of almond reduces pigmentation, removes deep-seated impurities, improves circulation, and makes skin soft and tender, leaving your skin refreshed, soft, and youthful.
It's so thick. Like, how am I even supposed to take it out? Let alone put it on my face. Ooh. Ah, okay. That's burning. That's tingling so much. But not to worry, they said. It's penetrating into the pores. Oh, what's in this? It's so thick. By the time I stop applying it, it's gonna dry out. It's tingling. This thing is not joking around. Okay, I put whatever I could take out. I'm pretty sure, it feels like it has a lot in it, but it's just not coming out. See? See how much is coming out? The heat from your face and the heat from your finger it's like literally melting it. It's like butter. Oh wait, this was almond, right? It's like almond butter. I'm gonna leave it on for 15 minutes. So what's going on with all of you out there? Let me know in the comments down below. What's going on? What's happening? What are you doing? 15 minutes are done. You can leave it on longer, but it needs to be dry. So this is all dry, and now I'm gonna rinse it off. This also has a very cooling effect. You know what it feels like? It feels like it has clay in it or something. My skin looks so shiny here, and all the redness is gone. I'm really happy with that. Okay, now for the last step.
Step 5. Charm and Glow Rejuvenating and Fairness Cream. Vitamin E, tomato skin, carrot, and green tea.
Apply rejuvenating cream on the face in upward and outward circular motions, and we're going to be done with our at-home facial spa. It smells like a weird salad. Rejuvenating cream.
Pamper your skin with Charm and Glow's Rejuvenating and Fairness Cream. Its unique fairness formula absorbs right into the skin and provides glow to your face without the greasy feeling.
Upward and circular motion.
Vitamin E gives conditioning to your skin. Tomato, carrot, and green tea helps in regaining the damaged tissue by rejuvenating the skin.
I'm just gonna use a cotton pad and just like remove the excess. So everyone, this is the final result. I'm gonna do a before and after. So this is the after. My skin is so shiny. It's so polished. It looks very bright. All my redness is gone. I don't know if you can see a difference, but I'm pretty happy with it. It was only for 60 rupees. So everyone, if you really enjoyed watching this video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, constructive comments, and share this video. I'll really appreciate it. As always, thank you so much for your support and encouragement. Thanks for watching. Until next time, Allah Hafiz. Bye.